Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate React Router for protected pages step by step clearly. To activate React Router for protected pages, start by ensuring you have React Router installed in your project. Open your terminal and run the command npm install React Router DOM. Next, create a new component that will serve as your protected route. Name this component protectedroute.js. In this file, import React route redirect from React Router DOM. Define a functional component called protectedroute. Accept two props, component and is authenticated. Inside the component, return a route component. Use render prop that checks the is authenticated state. If is authenticated is true, render the protected component. If it is false, redirect the user to the login page. Now, navigate to your app.js file. Import browser router and necessary components from React Router DOM. Wrap your application in the browser router component. Define your application routes using the route component. Replace the direct access to protected pages with your protected route component. Pass in the required props for component and is authenticated. Next, manage authentication state in a central location using React's useState or context API. Make sure to implement a login function that updates the is authenticated state. Ensure this function is called when users successfully log in. Test your implementation by attempting to access protected routes. Verify that authenticated users gain access while unauthenticated users are redirected. For better user experience, provide feedback for authentication failures. Consider adding a loading state while checking authentication status. Finally, review and clean up your code for readability and efficiency. Your application should now successfully protect routes based on user authentication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.